Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to the intelligence exhibited by machines or software, distinguishing it from human or animal intelligence. Positioned within realm of computer science, AI is a field dedicated to development and exploration of intelligent machines, often referred to as AIs. Application of AI technology is pervasive across all sectors, encompassing industry, government, and scientific domains. Notable applications include advanced web search engines like Google Search, recommendation systems employed by platforms such as YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, speech recognition in virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, autonomous vehicles exemplified by Waymo's self-driving cars, and creation of generative tools like ChatGPT. Founded as an academic discipline in 1956, AI experienced cycles of optimism, followed by periods of disillusionment, until significant resurgence after 2012, when deep learning surpassed preceding techniques. Subfields within AI research align with specific goals and tools, covering reasoning, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, and robotic support. Ultimate aspiration of AI research is to achieve general intelligence, enabling machines to perform any task akin to human capabilities. To address the objectives, AI researchers utilize diverse problem-solving techniques, integrating methods from search and optimization to neural networks, statistics, and interdisciplinary insights from psychology, linguistics, philosophy, neuroscience, and beyond.